Hi there, my name is Vic Veer. I'm an ENT consultant working for the NHS in central London, and I want to give you just two bits of information in this very, very short video. One is that I'm very pleased to say that finally we have Inspire hypoglossal nerve implants for obstructive sleep apnea on the NHS. The new devices are now ready to be shipped into England. We've got through all the regulatory red tape and stuff like that. So finally we are able to hopefully start booking in patients for these operations. So that's the first bit of news I want to say. The other thing, I just wanted to clear up one little thing that some people have come up to me about. If you look back at my Globus videos, that's this video here. Globus is a sensation of feeling that there's something in your throat. And I talk about in one of the videos, the number one video, that you should use Gaviscon Advanced within 30 minutes of eating any food. Now, a lot of people have come up to me and said, look, I always forget 30 minutes after eating that I should take my Gaviscon. And that's not what I meant. What I mean is that have Gaviscon Advance, a tablespoon of Gaviscon Advance, immediately after your meal, but don't leave it longer than 30 minutes. Does that make sense? I should have said it more clearly. Hopefully that little bit of will help the people. Just take a big spoon of this stuff. It should help that feeling of a lump in your throat, that feeling that you have to clear your throat in the morning. Sometimes people get a hoarseness in their voice, or hoarseness, should I say. It comes and goes a little bit. Some people feel like there's a lump when they swallow. You get a dry cough, particularly at night. All those sorts of symptoms, which I talk about in that first Globus video. If you've worked out that you have LPR, which again I discuss in that video, then use Gaviscon Advance directly after food and just before you go to bed. Don't wait longer than 30 minutes is all I was trying to say in that video. Sorry. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.